Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can make pie chart in Google Forms. So for that you need to open up your Google form, and the simple and straight answer is that you cannot make pie charts in Google form directly, but there is a workaround. And if you want to add the pie chart in the question itself, and suppose there is a question related to pie chart, just type that question over here, and after that you need to add that particular pie chart in the form of image by clicking on this option of image and just upload the image of that particular pie chart. You can use Google Sheets to create pie chart, and after that just take a screenshot of it and upload it as an image to this question. And if you want to add pie chart in the option itself, then you can just simply click on this option of add image and just add that particular pie chart as an image. And this is the way you can add pie charts into your Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.